Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create your very own GCash account. So let's dive in. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, creating this account is super straightforward. So first of all, you need to download the app. You can get it from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. You need to register your number. So enter your Philippine mobile number and then tap next. You'll then get a 6-digit authentication code sent to you via SMS. Go ahead and enter this on the next screen. The next thing is now to click on new account, fill in your personal details accurately, set a 4-digit MPIN and tap go to log in. Once this is done, you will have an account. You need to then verify your account to unlock all of the full features. This includes uploading a valid government ID, a driver's license, a passport, identification document, whatever it is that you have. If it supports it, then you can use it. You then need to take a clear selfie that matches your ID photo, and then you should be waiting approximately 30 minutes for a verification approval. Here's something to keep in mind. Keep your 4-digit MPIN secure and never share it with anybody. You should never share any pins or passwords with anybody at all, right? And then for users age 7 to 17, GCash Junior is also available with parental consent. So you can actually start your cashless journey today with GCash. It's fast, it's safe, and it's super convenient.